If you could travel back to the Tang Dynasty, who would you meet? The bustling vendors of Chang'an? The young scholars on their way to the imperial exams? Or merchants traveling from faraway lands? In this immersive adventure, you are the hero of the story. A journey across time, from ancient splendor to the modern day. Here, you'll experience the life of the Tang people, answer questions, win special gifts, and enjoy 3 live 15-minute immersive performances where Tang traditions meet today's culture. Step out from the river of history, step into the front lines of style. From the grand Tang Dynasty to the vibrant Chang'an of 2025. This time, you are not just a spectator. Be part of the Tang and be the star of the story.